Wall Street Winning? Well, think of it this way. We're really the Uber of investing. We are a new kid on the block taking a total different approach. One of the basic differences in what we're trying to do for you is we don't ask for your money. You don't invest in a fund that we have or where you turn over your funds to us. We're basically providing information to allow you to make investments directly in your account. So you maintain control, you decide what to do and when to do it. What we publish is information that allows you to make great investment decisions. And we really have 4 different plans, depending upon the level of assets you have and how fast or how you want to approach the opportunity. So the basic plan, for example, is a monthly plan. In fact, all the plans are monthly. So it's something that there's no long-term contract. You get to decide if you want to continue or not. And what we're doing is allowing you to get in at the basic level, and for that you get access to the system, you get access to all of the opportunities every day, and you get access to something we call Done For You, where we publish an opportunity every week for you to take a look at, even for you to follow. Just follow our footsteps and you can be at a 95% win rate at the basic level. The plus level, we add 2 more opportunities in the Done For You and allow you to track more stocks on the system. So it's up to you to decide what level you want to be at and how you use the system. Then for higher level individuals, people that have maybe $500,000 to $1 million, we have a plan called the Pro and the Pro X. The Pro is what we'll call it a portfolio model where we're managing $1 million of assets and we are publishing all the trades that we're doing in that model account. So that allows you, for example, to say, okay, I think I know how to do those trades. You can again walk in our footsteps and do those trades just like we do them. We publish the results, we publish the plan, and which basically gives you the path that you should take in your account. And that allows you then to basically look over our shoulder and you apply those strategies that we're using in the trades in your account. Now, if you think that takes too much time, we have a plan called the Pro X, where we will execute the trades in your account for you. Now the key is it's your account. It's a brokerage account that you have to set up if you don't have one, and you get basically get it set up so that you can watch it anytime you want, but you give authorization to one of the Wall Street Winning analysts to do the trades in your account. So we're executing trades in your account. You always have control of the account of the money. We cannot transfer any funds out of the account. That's all under your control. All we're doing is we're using your account and basically executing the trades that we're publishing and managing it so that we can get the returns we're expecting. In a Pro X account on $1 million, we expect to get $15,000 a week in a return. So you're saying that's 1.5% a week. That's very good. Think about that. If you did that all year long, that's a significant return on your investment. In the Pro account, we're managing the Pro account right now to $1 million to get about $10,000 a week. And we're being very conservative in that approach, because the people that follow us, we don't want to put you down a path where you experience significant losses. So we're going to be very cautious in the trades that we publish so that most people, they can follow instructions and take action. The key is, in the Pro account, it's your responsibility to take action. We publish the trades, we execute the trades in the model account, and we publish the result. If you procrastinate and don't do the trades, you're not going to necessarily get the same result. So it's important to make sure that you don't second guess us, because we're working on a high success rate. We're going to do our best to maintain this success rate. And sometimes when people feel they can do better, they end up doing worse. So the key is in the Pro itself to basically follow our tracks and our footsteps. Do the same thing, and if that's too much time, we suggest move over to Pro X. Let us execute the trades in your account. We might even put on a little bit more protection, maybe buy some protective puts for your account to give you more comfort factor. And so that way you have the opportunity to decide which is the best for you. So it's all up to you to take the action, look at the data, decide what level you want to be at. Again, there's no long-term contract. It's a monthly basis that we get paid. And of course we're going to get paid. You say, well, the fee for Pro X is $15,000 a month. Well, just think, if we return $15,000 a week, multiply that by 4, that's $60,000. You get to keep $45,000 of that each month. That's a significant return. So look at it as we're providing information to make you very successful. And that is the plan. You get to decide which plan you want to be on and how successful you want to be. Everybody wants this nice return, and it's there for you. You just have to act and go after it.
Great. Hey Ron, one quick question on the Pro X. The job of the Pro X, they only have one job, right? And that's to transfer their money out, because we don't have permission to do that.
Right. In the Pro X account, you own the account, and we actually suggest that you take out weekly income. The analyst will kind of indicate how much to transfer. We actually ask that you transfer to a new account. That way you can see the result, you can see the return, and it's not our intent to leverage it to say double your account in a certain period of time. We want you to take that money out and decide how you want to invest it. We're not making that decision for you. We are managing $1 million account and have a goal to basically generate a $15,000 per week income. And by the way, if we don't make that $15,000 fee for the month, your next month is free. We don't think that'll happen very often. We haven't experienced it in the past. We think that we'll be able to at least make $15,000 for 4 weeks. We'll probably make you your $50,000 to $60,000 every 4 weeks. That's our goal, that's our intent, and that's the path that we're on.